What up, everyone? Shadows here. Yep, you know what time it is. It's episode number 6. What have I been printing? I'll give you a little sneak peek. I'm a Thundercat. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. So you know what time it is this week. What have I been printing? Before we get into it, make sure you go grab yourself a drink, some snacks, and get ready to nerd out. So this week, I only got 2 amazing prints that I did this week. It's pretty awesome. You saw one, which is the Thundercats Sword. This is from the 80s and early 90s cartoon, Thundercats. There's a live action movie that's coming out. This thing's awesome. The designer of this did a great job. It prints in 3 separate pieces. The blade, this part right here, and then half the handle here. Very easy to print. The thing I really like about this is that it came with its own structures. When I mean that, in the blade part, it prints out a 2 support beams to hold on to the blade. So if you want to use it for cosplay or whatnot, it's very strong. Same thing with the handle. Very, very cool. Paint this. You guys all know that I suck at painting, but I decided not to be as accurate as like the cartoons with the gold and everything like that. So this is my take on this. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little seam right here. I tried to get rid of it by using wood filler and then sanding it all down. So from far away, you really can't see it. Hand painted the red, and then everything else is spray painted. Came out pretty cool. Very happy with this. This is going to go on my wall. That's going to be right here. I'm going to have weapons that I printed. Weapons, Harry Potter wands, everything like that. And across it, it's going to say choose your weapon. I know, very, very nerdy, but I think it's cool. All right, the next scene, got to pick it up because it's big, is The Legend of Zelda's Sword. This thing is awesome. I love it. I love it so much that I made a very, very rookie mistakes. Me getting into painting and everything like that. The biggest thing that I need to learn is patience. I do not have the greatest patience. So this is all PLA. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, if not, there's a link in the description how to get to my Instagram. This right here, the whole blade part, is the PLA from ZYL Tech. That is our hot pink. And this is 3D Solutions blue. So I printed all this because in the hot pink because I knew I was going to sand it and paint it. So I painted it. I use a paint pen. This right here, you could get this at Walmart. They're like $2 a piece, so they're pretty inexpensive. And I just tried to hand paint it. Now this thing came out awesome. Now the other thing that you need to do is while you're at Walmart, pick up these little wooden things here. So what you do is in the blade itself, when you print it, there's 2 holes throughout the middle of the blade. So you just measure out, you cut it. Then down here it's 3 because then the piece of wood actually goes all the way down to the bottom here. So what that does is makes it very, very strong. So if you want to do cosplay, things like that, Halloween costume, this is one of the things that the wife and I are planning on being, is me being Link. So, or we might be nerds that attack zombies, and I just created myself Link's sword on there. We don't know. We still got a few months to decide. But yeah, very, very cool. You can pretty much print this on any 3D printer that's out there right now. You really don't need like the Anycubic like I have here, which is 8x8x8. You could print it on like an Ender 2, which is smaller, just because this came in, I believe, not 10, like 6 different pieces. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 different pieces. So it's very, very easy to print, easy to put together. Once again, I use that wood filler. Now, I do have a suggestion. If you paint it, don't pull me. Don't get in a hurry. As soon as I put it together, it's like, yeah, and I sand it, and then I prime it, and I didn't let the prime settle before I start painting it. Then I had to try to strip the paint, repaint it. To me, it came out horrible. I know I don't have the best camera in the world, but it's not what I would like. So I may redo this project and have patience now. The Thundercat, I had a little bit more patience. Sword, but I'm very, very happy with this. It won't look too bad in my man cave. But I think I'm going to redo this eventually, maybe. Don't know. Depends on how I have time. But that is it for me, guys, this week. What I have been printing, episode number 6. If you want to see other cool stuff that I'm painting, I do have my social media links down below. Instagram, that's where I'm probably the busiest at, so definitely check me out on there. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs down. And what do you guys like about my new background? I've been making some changes to the man cave, and let me know about the lighting. I actually have a window in my man cave, so I open it up to bring in natural light. So anyways, you guys know what to do. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs down if you think it sucks. But don't forget to hit the subscription button on your way out. I'll catch you guys later.